So do you want to achieve a perfect chocolate cake? Yes, a chocolate cake is the easiest cake that you'll ever make, but at the same time, it can disappoint you if you don't follow the right tips. So stick around, watch this video to the very end if you want to know how to make a perfect chocolate cake that everybody will love. Trust me on that. Stick around, watch the whole video and see how we make and achieve a perfect chocolate cake. Tip number 1, line your cake pan first before you do any other thing. Tip number 2, preheat your oven at 180 degrees at least 30 minutes earlier, or depending on how hot your oven can get. Mine gets hot very fast, so I do it 10 minutes. Sieve your flour 3 times. That is tip number 3. So here we're going to add all the dry ingredients together and then we mix them well. And then next we shall be adding the wet ingredients. I add my vanilla to my egg so that I don't forget. Tip number 4, you want to put the cake immediately into the oven. Tip number 5, chocolate cake is very delicate, so once you put it in, leave it at least 30 minutes or 40 minutes before you check on it. You don't want to open the oven unnecessarily. It's very delicate and a noise can make it sink in. So there, my cake is ready. I let it rest for some time, for 10 minutes, and then I did remove it.